Imagine yourself in this 2007 Chevrolet Cobalt LS. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are wipers variable speed intermittent, wipers intermittent, brakes tight front disc rear drum, seat rear pass-through, seats front bucket, daytime running lights, steering power, and headlights automatic. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.